right. So here is Marcus and the cross country girls and Mike and Owen. So basically, what we want to talk about today is their achievements because it is pretty amazing. I am going to flip this, and I don't know if this is going to be bad. So if this is bad, somebody Google chat me. All right, let's try this. Google chat me if that does not work because I want everybody in the picture. Um, we're going to talk about their career PRs. Marcus, he did his this year. He was 17:03. Sophie was last year, wasn't it? So 20:32. Kaylin's was last year at 21:40. Madison Englesey was that this year, right, Madison? 21:46. Ava was this year. Last year at 22:03. Madison Schneer, of course, is this year because this is their first year, 22:33. And Madison, or Mary, you PR'd this year too, right? At 23:16. So way to go. So we also, the girls went as a team. They got second place. Districts was different this year because they ended up having 10 sites. Is that correct, Owen? 10 sites, and they only took the top 2 teams each time. So our girls whooped on them, and they were really close to first place, more than third place. So way to go, girls! Woo! All right, and because our cross country team for the boys is literally only Marcus, he decided just to do better than that, and he got 5th place overall for the boys, which is amazing. Woo! All right. So since Madison and Marcus both are going as individuals because Madison got 9th overall. So Marcus, you step up here and have a little talk with everybody and tell them. Why don't you put your state thing up? All right, Marcus. What would you like to say to everybody?
Well, first off, it's been a great year so far. I'd like to thank the coaches and the girls since it's going to be their last run. Sad, but anyways, thanks for all the support too. And we have 3 8th grade boys going out next year, so we just need one more for that team. So hopefully we can get that next year.
Awesome. Thank you, Marcus. Woo-hoo! All right, Madison.
Well, first of all, go out to cross country because it's a blast. I would just like to thank my coaches. Owen has been my coach for 6 years, and cross country has been my favorite sport. And Mike came in this year, and they've both been really helpful in helping me with my goals. So I just like to say thank you to them. And cross country is really fun, so definitely make sure you go out for it.
Thank you. Woo! All right, Owen, your turn. Oh, speak loud. You're hard to hear.
First off, I'd like to thank everybody that helped donate and put their time and effort into getting everything set up for this weekend. So we didn't have to put our time and effort into it. Mostly, Jen and like I said, a lot of thanks to the kids, parents, everybody that donated. That helps out immensely. Second off, I'd like to thank the kids this year. Great effort out of all 7 of the high school kids that we have here. One thing I would like to add at the end, you can't do things as an individual and as a team. And I know the kids that are on the team still for next year would like to see a lot more kids out. So, whether you want to come out and help be an individual like Marcus, which we are close to having a boys team too. So come out and be a part of the boys team. And the girls, it'll help them out. We're a few short of a team next year, but like I said, come out. It's fun. They have fun with it. Just go ahead and ask them about it at school if you're interested. So, and we're gonna do great. We're gonna do great tomorrow.
Woohoo! Okay, so Mrs. Peart is going to do our prayer when we go outside because we have some of the little ones outside, but we are going to do a parade. So if you are in your classrooms right now, go ahead and stand out in the hallway and we'll be up to see you soon. Cheer loud! Cheer loud is right. Loud and proud. All right. Yep, you can just leave them here and then I'll just follow you guys. Let's go this way. I still have the Google Meet on too. Last year, probably. He's on it. They're outside. A lot of them are outside. You know, okay, yeah, girls, let's go upstairs, third, fourth, and fifth. Yes, right there. Oh, you guys look great. You guys look awesome.